Alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. Today is 12th July. How are you all? The lesson, the tattered blanket, right? Our first lesson. Let's continue. A little bit revision, recap what I can do, which we have done. Last week was, I think, last Tuesday, right? Regarding Gopi, right? The lesson tattered blanket means what? Tattered means torn. So an old lady is sitting. His daughter Kamala is sitting with her, who is a widow. She's talking to her, but this lady, Kamala's mother, is not able to remember things easily, properly, because of her old age. Sometimes she remembers, sometimes her memory is lost. And in that meantime, his son comes, Gopi, after a very long time in a big car. He comes very good. He sounds very financially up to date. He comes in coat pant. He comes in a car, isn't it? But he doesn't recognize. His mother doesn't recognize him. For a long time, she did not see him, so she is not able to recognize him. And the son also is stays in Delhi. It's an expensive life. He's married. His wife's name is Vimla. He has two children, isn't it? The story. Hope you remember. But he did never got the time to come and meet to his mother. So he comes after a long time, that too for his property or something. And Gopi's sister Kamala says Gopi came, but mother is not able to recognize him, not able to talk to him or relate his life to him. Okay, now what's today's lesson? Let's finish. A little bit of lesson is left. We'll finish the lesson today. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Trivandrum. I thought I should drop in to see Amma. To see you, Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperately. Got the lesson understood, all of you? Gopi placed his briefcase on a thinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents, clothes, files, a shaving set. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He's in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. It is cold, mist in the morning. In the morning it is cold. Amma tell Gopi to send me a blanket. She doesn't know it. This man himself is a Gopi. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? Okay, a red one. I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? I'll tell him, he nodded. The title of the lesson, did you understand? That's why it is tattered blanket. Please don't forget to tell him the mist is not good for me. I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. I'll just take rest, lay down. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed. She's gone so old, she's not able to recognize her son. He's also not able to make it clear. Because he had come after a very long time. What has happened? Old people get they get ill with diseases and all. In that age, it is very difficult to recover. It can happen, but very little. After very proper treatment and all, it will take long time. Because their immunity is low, they have grown old. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to veranda. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? She's asking. Delhi is too expensive, you know. I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. He's trying to explain his sister. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of family property. Why did he come now also? Not for Amma, not in mother to see his mother, but to share family property. I came to talk it over with you. Understood? Why did he come? Sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Don't say that. I'll come when I get time. Your time. Brother and sister are talking. She's very angry, Kamla, because he never came to see his mother. He saw the irritation on his sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. Understood? That boy, that man, Gopi, came after 5 years to see his mother. He now also just for land property he came. Relationships are becoming like that. No one has time for each other. Amma is 83 now. What is the age of his mother? 83. Will she live more long? I don't think so, isn't it? 83 is a long time. I don't think she will put on much longer. Even Kamala is saying the same thing. I don't think she'll live more longer. Now she's forgetting things. She's growing more older. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. But Amma can't remember who I am. He said, smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? The sister is questioning. Do you remember your mother? Did you come in remembrance of her? You were busy for so much. After 5 years, you came just to see your mother for the property, land, and all. So, sister is getting angry and she's telling, whatever you want money, you sell the land, you go. You don't have time. Already, my mother is 83 years old. I can take care of her. I don't think more she will be able to live happily, healthily. Okay, understood the lesson? Is it clear? The tattered blanket. First lesson is finished. We'll see the homework for today. The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? What does it suggest? Second question. What is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? Next question. Why did Gopi answer his sister's question? Why did he not reply? When the sister says, do you remember your Amma? Last question. If you were Gopi's sister, how would you respond to his behavior? Understood, children? Understood the lesson? Is it clear, all of you? If you have doubt, ask me. Answer the question answers and send the homework by 8 in the evening, 5 to 8. Thank you. See you in next class. Assalamu alaikum.